Boom. Beautiful. Yeah, baby. How's everybody doing? This is Neff with Nocturnal Labs, bringing you guys another video. Today, we have good news and bad news. What do you guys want to hear first? Good news, bad news? We'll go with the good news. Well, the good news, I got a motor. This little box you guys see right here, I'll just show y'all. This is a motor. And I gotta give it to Automation Direct. These people are really fast. This was ordered and delivered in like 2 days. I'm still shocked. And the part wasn't even available. It was like back ordered or something like that. But hey, it made it here. So this is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna go ahead and load it up real quick. I'm gonna show you guys. I got some things here that are not from the B.A Shredder, but we're gonna just be adapting them together and making sure everything like fits on there and how it looks and stuff. So whenever I get the parts that really go onto this bad boy, then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. But for now on, we're gonna go ahead and install this motor, and then I'm gonna bring you guys the bad news. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we're gonna open up this box, get this motor out, and install it on this B.A Shredder. So before I do that, since I know that motor is a little heavy, let's go ahead and lower this beast. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy out. This thing's a monster. Whew. Damn. Well, so you guys can see the foam did the job. It's all destroyed. And here's the beauty. Woo! Thank God it had foam. If not, it would have got destroyed. Alright, back here. So, how do you mount? Any specific way? Well, we're about to find out. We are about to find out. Oh, this thing is heavy too. Really heavy. Make sure that I got the right size screws for it. Yep, that'll work. Alright. So here we go. This way? Yeah, I'll go ahead and put it this way. Slippery. Mary, come here.
What are you doing?
Ponme un tornillo aquí. Ese tornillo, ponlo aquí.
This one?
Yep.
Where?
En esta acá.
Where here?
Abajo.
No, I don't think so. No.
Okay. Thank God my assistant was close. Alrighty. Woo! Alright, let's get these other ones in there. Bro, I can feel the heaviness on this thing. Pretty heavy. By the way, I got 3/8 by 16 inch by 1 inch screws. And they go right in. Alright, it's on there. I already see I gotta get different screws because I don't like the way they sit on there. Or maybe I can bevel that little area enough to so the screw could go down more. But let's see how it turns. It's heavy now. And it turns so easy. One-handed. Super smooth. Oh man, I like how it looks. Perfect. Yep. It's looking nice. Now, I borrowed parts from this grinder we have here. The one I have right there in the bottom, that's the first one I started building. So like I was saying, I borrowed parts from this one. This is the one I call the Frankenstein because it has parts from pretty much everybody that sells grinder parts. So we're gonna install now the 5-inch wheel. Remember, this is the chromed out rim. We're about to install it on the motor. Ready? Come on. Oh. Big fail. The little screw I had to remove some of the threads. So. Should go in smoothly now. Ooh, look at that. I'm not gonna put everything super tight because it's coming back off until I get the rest of the parts. But spinning beautifully. And now I'm about to install the tooling arm, which is borrowed from the other grinder. Well, it's nicely balanced. I put this one on earlier and it was kind of tipping forward a little bit because this is pretty heavy. This is the part I bought from Origin Blade Makers, and this piece by itself is like 5 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. Looks nice. Easily tilts. Easy tilting. Bring it back up. Tighten her down. And she's ready. She is ready. I gotta finish the tracking assembly. That's what I'm waiting for my daughter to weld, since she welds nicer than me. And that piece in the front for this B.A Shredder, I don't want it to look crappy. So that's why we're waiting on her. And I can't wait to use this. Look how nice it looks on there. Boom. Perfect. And now for the bad news. I know. I really didn't want to say the bad news, but I have to. My wife is pretty mad. She's pretty mad at me. See, here's the thing. She wanted to buy some shoes, right? But I wanted a motor. So I got a motor. And she doesn't have any shoes. I know, I'm sorry, but hey, next month, I guarantee you, she will have her shoes. So I know you guys understand. I understand too, you know, the motor, we needed the motor. She's got like 10 pair of shoes. I mean, you can use a different one every day. You don't need a brand new pair before I get my motor. So we got a motor. Alright guys, Hey, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And as soon as I finish that tracking assembly, I will be having a video with the whole thing running, because I also already have a VFD, if you guys seen it in the previous videos. So she's about to be grinding. All right, y'all, have a wonderful day. Peace.